me alone. Leave me alone. I didn't say you kill me. Help me. Help me. He wants to kill me.
You must get rid of that pregnancy. You must chew this leaf. Come here, Akwaugo. Akwaugo.
That maiden is beautiful.
Akwaugo, right?
Yes. Her beauty and intelligence transcend the others. She's highly talented and creative too, and doesn't depend on other men for her well-being.
See, let me tell you something. Akwaugo is doing very well for herself, irrespective of being an orphan. For all I know, Akwaugo does not have any man she's seeing, and I'm sure she's a virgin.
And who says she cannot be sweet-tongued?
Listen, let me tell you. If it is about Akwaugo that I know, she is a no-go area. So, Potawa there. What are you talking about? Can you imagine?
Me Arenze. Everyone knows me in this village. Like you can testify to it. That there is no girl in this kingdom that I cannot get.
Well,
anyone I desire must come to me.
Arrange the womanizer. Let me tell you something. This has nothing to do with Akwaugo. You will try and fail because she will simply say no.
And no maiden in this kingdom can tell me no. If you want us to try, bet.
Let me tell you something. You can never get Akwaugo. If you try and succeed, I will forfeit my Anobi. Akolomia.
Me too. I shall forfeit my Anobi. Should you succeed in laying with her? I bet you. That's what I'm saying.
Remember, this is a bet.
What are you saying?
Remember, I don't want to start fighting with my two friends.
See, you also will forfeit your Anobi if you woo her and fail.
Exactly.
This is a bet.
Yes.
Can you imagine?
Greetings, Father. Greetings, son. You may be seated. I actually called you to remind you that you don't have all the time. As the crown prince of Uruago Kingdom, you are expected to have a bride already. Why is it not happening?
Father, I am aware that the royal cabinet is waiting for me to do the needful. All I ask for is time.
I need to understand the time you are talking about. You are lucky you have Princess UGEZU. So what time are you making reference to?
Father, I am not just ready.
May you please tell me the reason for this very unnecessary delay? You need to have a wife so that you can secure the throne of our forefathers.
Father, there is no disputing the fact that I am the next in line to inherit what came all the way from our forefathers. However, Father, I still insist that all I need is more time. I don't want to make mistakes.
Mistakes? What mistakes? Oh, is there something going on that I don't know about?
Father, as they say, once bitten, twice shy. You remember what Princess UGEZU did to me. Yet, Father, you recommend her as my bride.
You know, honestly, I am very surprised you are still holding on to what Princess UGEZU did. That is very surprising to me. You are not just anybody. You are a prince. Not just a prince. You are the crown prince. So where is the place of forgiveness that I have always taught you in all of this?
Father, I do not want to be reminded of what I am trying so hard to forget. How do you expect me to get married to a maiden who embarrassed me by slapping me in the presence of my subjects, Father? No, I won't. I'm sorry, Father.
Hey, I'm tired. I'm tired too. Today, I enjoyed myself.
Really?
Ha! Anawa.
Oh, babe. Hey.
It was so fun.
It was. I really had so much fun today.
Me too.
Did you see the way that girl was dancing?
But you cannot dance more than you. She cannot dance.
You're saying it because you're my friend.
The way you were shaking your, you know?
You too, you can dance.
Thank you.
Hey, can you ever say no to food?
My friend's food, I will never say no. Because she knows how to prepare delicious meal.
Yeah, no, see it now. Go. Don't worry, I will get you food. You know, go. So you eat and get filled. I'm coming.
I trust you. Very talented. Ew. I wish I'm like you. Oh. Hey, Nikoti. Hey, look at that. Akwa. Nne.
Come and eat.
How? See, you're doing good for yourself. I wish I am talented like you. And I want to be like you. I'll be making my own money now. I'll go to the market. I will sell it. With that, I will not depend on any man.
Hey, what the one mouth? So you want to be independent? Let me tell you something I've been planning. My friend, I want to bring all the maidens in this village together and teach them crafts making. At least that way they can make their own money and not depend on men. What the
Why not? See, I will be there.
You want to learn too?
I have to learn. No.
It's good.
I am proud of you.
Thank you, don't worry. You go in eat your food in the
Father, a queen is supposed to be a mother. A mother to all. Caring, supportive, loving, brave in the face of adversity, an enhancer to the king. These attributes mesh together, and that is why we have the phrase Queen Mother. Princess Ijenu does not possess all these qualities. One who is quick to anger at the slightest provocation cannot be called a queen. Talk more of a queen mother. She is not worthy of this title.
Listen, son. There is no denying the fact that she actually wronged you. But as your father, I am in a position to advise you that there is need for you to let go. In the whole of Uruago and even beyond, I, Ezo Kanme, am an advocate of peace.
Father, I have taken your teachings very seriously. And I am proud to let you know that I have forgiven her long ago, even before now.
Then what? You have forgiven her long ago, even before now? Then what is going on?
Like I said earlier, Father, I need more time to clear my head.
Son, listen. I am giving you all this advice because I wouldn't want a situation where the men in council will give you an ultimatum to present the bride before the cabinet. If you allow this thing to get to that level, you will be at a disadvantage. And you may be confused at that point. Can't you beat them to it?
My prince, I missed you so much. Why are you staring at me like that? I really missed you and I mean it. So tell me, when are we getting married? What is I am? Why are you stuttering? I asked a simple question that deserves a simple answer, my prince. When are we getting married?
Princess, I am not ready for commitment yet.
What do you mean you're not ready for commitment? Okay. Eugenia, just calm down. My prince, you have limited time to present your chosen bride to the cabinet. So what are you talking about?
Princess, I am a prince.
Of course, I'm aware.
And the heir apparent to the throne of my forefathers. I know what is expected of me, and that I shall do.
I don't understand.
What I am saying is, I will pick a bride for myself when the time is right.
What do you mean you will pick a bride for yourself when the time is right? What exactly are you talking about? My prince, are you saying you have the intentions of picking a bride even when you have one already? Answer me!
Akwaugo.
Yes. Who are you?
You don't know me?
Bakwao, no.
Arinze, the only merchant in the Akwaugo Kingdom. The only merchant that does exports and imports.
I'm sorry, I do not know you.
Okay, no problem. I heard you are the only maiden that makes beautiful crafts in this Akwaugo Kingdom.
Yes, yes.
I brought business.
Business?
Yes.
What? You're fine here?
Yes. Nice compound.
What did you say?
I mean, your father's compound is beautiful.
Thank you. Back to the reason you're here.
Okay. Like I said, my name is Arinze, and I'm the only merchant that does imports and exports. I know you can make beautiful crafts. Can you make agope?
Yes.
Nkata?
I can make everything.
In large quantity.
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, I do export and import. See what I do. I buy things from Urago, go to other kingdoms, sell them, then buy from them, come to Urago and sell them. That's how I make my money. So I buy anything, any kind of goods. So
What the kwamba?
we're in for business.
Okay. So what exactly do you want?
I want akube in large quantity and kata in large quantity. Any amount, any quantity.
Large quantity?
Yes.
Like how many pieces are we talking of?
Prince Dikeh, are you saying I've been wasting my time all along? I am asking you, Prince Dikeh. Answer me!
Ijen, you are too hot-tempered for my liking.
What do you mean I am too hot-tempered for your liking? What are you talking about? Are you just realizing how hot-tempered I am? Answer me!
A maiden who insults me, who disrespects me in the presence of my subject is not worthy to be called my queen.
You're a liar. A bloody one at that. Because I, Princess Ijenu, will not have you ridicule me in this manner. Dump me in the middle of nowhere as if I am a piece of trash.
Will you listen to me?
And if I choose not to?
Enough of all this blackmail. Stop acting like you are the victim. I am. Need I remind you who I am? My name is Jide Ekene, the heir to the throne of Urago ancient kingdom.
And I am Princess Ijenu of Mbaneze kingdom. I tell you to your face that you are a bastard!
You call me a bastard?
That is what you are. A bloody fool!
You address the heir to the throne, Prince Jide Ekene, as a bastard. You are lucky. I do adhere to the teachings of my father.
You wouldn't have still done nothing.
Otherwise, I would have shredded you into pieces.
I'm so scared.
One more word from you.
And?
One more word from you. And you will regret ever existing. You will think the gods themselves hate you. Try it. A maiden who takes advantage of a drunken man, sleeps around with men. You are a whore.
How dare you? How? Don't you ever, in your entire existence, refer to me as a whore. Don't you ever.
Arinze,
Here, what is it?
can you remember? Eh?
I came to see Akwaugo.
Arinze, why are you looking around Akwaugo's compound? Eh? Arinze! Okay. Yeah. Okay. Akwaugo. Chinwe, come and sit. Akwaugo, what is that man doing here?
Do you know him?
Who doesn't know Arinze in this kingdom?
Well, He brought big business. So much money.
Ne, what business is that?
Ogenekwa. Chinwe, this one you're asking too many questions at a time. Did anything happen? Is anything the problem?
What is going on here? I am Princess Ijenu of Mbaneze Kingdom. No man messes with me and gets away with it. Not even your son.
What happened?
Mother, you will not force that disrespectful maiden on me as a bride. Princess Ijenu or whatever she is called. Mother, she's not worthy to be called a queen. And as such, I will not make her my bride. Prince Jody can choose as a bride if he pleases so.
And what kind of talk is that, Prince Jidekani? Eh? Since it clearly didn't work out between you both, why then do you think it will work out between Princess Ijenu and I? What's that?
Is it not you and some of us here and the rest of the entire kingdom who have always insisted that royalty must get married to royalty? You are also a prince.
And so? I mean, obviously you're the heir apparent to the throne. Princess Ijenu is yours and yours alone. Please, do not bring me into it. Please.
It's okay, it's all right, please. My prince, can you please tell us what actually happened? What transpired?
Mother, do you know that this so-called Princess Ijenu, very disrespectful, attempted to slap me again?
What?
And on top of this, she also called me a bastard.
What?
In the presence of my subjects.
You mean that girl had the guts to call my son a bastard?
Chai! Princess Ijenu Kuono, how can she call a crown prince a bastard? Who does that?
I am not going to allow that maiden to disrespect the crown prince of Akwaugo Kingdom by calling him an abominable name. That maiden ceases to be granted access into this palace. Udoka!
My king.
Ijenu, the princess, on no account, must be allowed access into this palace.
Yes, my king.
Am I clear on this?
Yes, my king.
My brother, tell me, did she really slap you before? Oh, sorry.
My prince, stop.
You were about to say something, say it.
But how am I supposed to say something when you're just staring at me?
Okay.
I'm shy.
Go ahead. I'm not staring. Say it.
Okay. My prince.
My princess.
I honestly cannot wait for us to be together so we explore.
Princess Ijenu.
My prince.
Do you think of anything else other than pleasure, fun?
How possibly am I supposed to think of something else when I am with my man? Come on.
You should think of how we can get this kingdom to the next level.
I pray, stop.
How to make an impact so that the people can always sing praises in our name.
Hey, when we get to that bridge, we will definitely cross it.
Greetings, my prince. Greetings, my princess.
Greetings, royal maidens of Akwaugo ancient kingdom. How are you?
We are fine, my prince.
Hey, get back. My prince, is this how you now familiarize with your subjects? Have you forgotten who you are?
I haven't forgotten who I am, and I am doing exactly what I am supposed to do. Familiarizing with my subjects.
Get out. Run.
We don't treat our subjects like that in this kingdom, princess.
You don't talk to me like that in the presence of your subjects.
What? What?
My prince, please stop and hear me out. My prince, please. Just listen to me. My prince, I am sorry.
I will have nothing to do with a maiden who lacks respect for me.
I am sorry. My prince. My prince, listen. Something came over me. I don't know what it is. I am sorry. Please forgive me.
You are sorry. Sorry for what exactly? Princess Ijin, you raise your hand against the crown prince of Akwaugo ancient kingdom.
I don't know what came over me. Please forgive me.
You don't know what came over you.
I'm sorry.
First, you address me by my name. Then you insult me and embarrass me.
My prince, I am sorry. I am sorry again and again. I promise there will never be a repeat of it.
A repeat? Of course there won't be a repeat. I am my father's son, who holds in very high esteem the idea of respect, calmness, diligent, honor, peace, and I grew in all of these attributes. I say that you have taken my calmness for an act of cowardice, isn't it?
My prince, I can't do that. I am sorry. I am genuinely sorry from my heart, please.
Princess Ijin,
My prince.
despite the fact of whatever we share or whatever it is, I am first a man. God. Get up.
Thank you.
No. Keep standing. Princess,
My prince.
I would want you to do me a favor.
Anything at all to remedy the situation.
I would want you to return to your kingdom. And on arrival, I would want you to inform your father that I, Prince Jide Ekene, heir to the throne of Akwaugo Ancient Kingdom, has decided that there will be no more marriage. I have also decided to cut ties between the both kingdoms. You may leave.
My prince, please don't do this. I am on my knees. Don't.
Should I chase you away myself? Leave. Leave!
What?
Father has been aware of all of this. Yet, he's insisting that I get married to her.
No. A stick does not pierce into somebody's eyes twice. This shall not happen. It shall not happen again. I chose her because I thought she was good enough for you, my son. But you see now, I have decided otherwise. Onyeze, henceforth, I cut every tie with the royal family of Mbaneze.
I wonder why a maiden of that caliber, Omokwanimma, will not respect a man. I
have never liked Princess Ijenu from day one. Mother, I kept telling you she's of no good, but you will not hear that. You will ask me to keep quiet, not to meddle into what does not concern me.
Yes. Mother will always ask us to get married and leave the palace. As if she's so eager to sell us off.
Everyone knows that Prince Jide Ekene is a cool-headed young man. Should we push him off to one insensitive princess? If you ask me, he must not marry a princess.
Ikwamano. He will marry from a royal family. Yes. Since Princess Ijenu did not work out, we have to look for another princess from another kingdom.
Oh, Queen Mother. Another disaster, you mean?
Mother, why have you decided to push my brother into the hands of a maiden who is going to kill him before his time? Must he marry a royal blood?
My brother, please do not take this to heart, okay? I think it's better this is happening now for you to actually know who you want to get married to, you know, than for you to be neck deep in marriage before realizing it.
Yes.
Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, Talozo. Why are you blocking my way? What is it? Eh?
Arinze Okafu. Big tummy. See, Arinze, you and I know that you are not in the same business with my friend Akwaugo. You still depend on your parents' business or your business. You know that.
What you do not know is that I am a businessman. I have the right to venture into any business that I want. Eh? Provided I'm making profit.
Business. No, Arinze, all of a sudden, in Abazinkata. Arinze, what do you want from Akwaugo, my friend? Tell me, because I know you too well now. I'm Gofuma. What do you want from her?
Why are you being nosy? Why are you prognosing in people's affairs? Can you just use this trend that you have now to look for something and be doing? At least be like Akwaugo. Eh? See, let me tell you, no man wants to marry a liability.
A liability. Marriage advisor, thank you. Businessman. What I'm saying is, let business be business. Don't cross your boundaries.
Meaning?
Biko.
Meaning what?
Meaning that Akwaugo and I against the world. I do too. And if she gets hot, I will be hot. And definitely, I won't take it lightly with you. Yes.
Zuzulu, Puela, mother hen. Ewene?
Arinze, I am telling you. Arinze, don't cross the line. Arinze, don't cross the line. Oh.
Wait too. What does Chinwe mean by I should not cross the line? Eh? This her mother hen's character is not acceptable by me. Oh. If I want anything from Akwaugo, it should be my business with her, not with Chinwe. Eh?
Ojemba. Inagari pium pium pium. Arinze. Arinze. Make sure you don't put any maiden in a family way and bring her into this hut, because I will not accept it. Because that is not how your father got married to me.
Ne. What is the problem now? What is your problem?
You are my problem. Did your father not ask you to join him at the oil mill this morning before he left this hut? You did not do that. Instead, you chose to be gallivanting round the kingdom, doing nothing.
Ne. Let me just make it straight so that you understand it. I don't want to be an oil merchant. Eh? My destiny, oil business is not in my destiny at all. I'm still calculating, thinking on the business that I want to do. And as it is now, I'm going into basket business.
Which one is basket business?
Basket business like Akwaugo. Eh?
Wait.
Who
is Akwaugo? Wait! Akwaugo! Let Maazị Obiechina's daughter.
Bam!
Don't tell me you are envious of that Ogbanje maiden who has come into this world 3 times and succeeded killing her parents.
I don't understand. How? How?
Are you the only one who does not know about her story in this kingdom? Okay, wait. Have you seen how beautiful she is? How many maidens of this kingdom are successful as she is?
For the fact that she's beautiful and successful does not make her an Obanje. Why will you be calling an innocent maiden names? Because she's successful and beautiful.
Okay. Her creative crafts. Have you seen that?
That still does not make her an Obanje.
Arinze.
Ne.
I never knew you were this daft. Okay. Can't you see men are scared of her? Any man that comes across her will start experiencing mysterious things. And that is why she has not gotten married. Have you asked that? Eh? Arinze! Arinze! How many times did I call you? Be careful. Be very, very careful. Maka no kukonti ike nezi ike nitofe. Inuri yankuru. Ekuchakpa nkora mnono. Basket, basket, basket. Not only basket. Mama kuonkata.
I'm happy, yeah. Basket business.
This papa is so sweet. Toka. Some maidens in this village want to learn craft from you.
Really?
Including me.
You said that before, Chinwe. It's not a problem. We know what our friends for.
Not only that,
What else?
You said you're beautiful. Hey, you are talented. And they are proud of you.
Chinwe, you're beautiful as well. Ozuko, you're beautiful too.
I know I am beautiful, but I'm not beautiful like Akwaugo.
I get easy Mary.
You are right. And you were Zimbabwe. Yes. I'm super proud of you.
Thank you, my friend. This one, you're saying all these things, you're not taking this.
I will take, after telling you are beautiful.
You took 3 and I just ate 1.
Let us share.
Let us share now.
Come on, guys.
How can that beautiful Akwaugo be responsible for everything my mother said? She killed her parents? How? Mother even said this is her 3rd time of coming into this world. If I say I'm not confused, then I'm lying. I am as confused as ever. Or could it be she lied just to scare me away from going close to Akwaugo? No, I will never give up on Akwaugo. If I perish, I perish.
Everything you all see today is as a result of me not giving up. Even when life blew me at my lowest, I still did not give up. Even when my parents died. All thanks to Chukwu Okike Abiama for making me the maiden that I am today. I discovered I had this very great talent in craft making.
Sorry, Akwaugo. Please, can you explain more? Because I really want to understand how one can be able to discover his or her talents. How were you able to do so?
That is a very good question. Well, I discovered that I had this talent at a very early stage of my life. Sometimes I would just go into a trance. I would see very creative things.
Did you say trance?
Yes. And when I'm back from the trance, I would want to put in those things, apply those things that I saw into the physical.
So Akwaugo, when you see those creative things in your trance, how do you bring them to reality?
Sometimes some people tempt me an obanji. You know why? Because they often felt my designs were very unique and creative. And you wouldn't even see my design anywhere.
Sorry for my curiosity, Akwa. Please tell us how you started.
When I go on this trance that I told you about, I always feel this force propelling me to put those creative designs that I saw in the trance into the physical. And I get to work.
Arinzo!
Are you sure he is in this compound?
My husband, I did just as you said yesterday, that he should join you at the all-meal. It surprised me that when I came over there, I didn't see any sign of him.
I don't know what that young man wants to become in this kingdom. What exactly does he want to make out of his life?
My husband, can you believe what your son told me yesterday? He said he wants to join basket business.
What? Your son said that?
Exactly.
Is he not ashamed of himself? He wants to be like a mere maiden. Where is his ego as a man?
A maiden who succeeded in killing her parents.
Okonwa, watch your mouth. Watch what you say. Because if you keep mentioning her name, her ears are wider and longer now wherever she is. She can hear you speaking ill of her. Be careful, oh.
What do you mean? I should be scared of her? No, because just Dikeh. cannot be scared of her.
Ukawa.
Arinze!
Akamade yao.
Arinze! Where is that stupid boy? Arinze! Arinze! Hey!
As I was saying, my zeal and passion got me to where I am today, against all odds. Due to circumstances about how my parents died, some people actually feel that I killed my parents. Why will I even kill my parents? I didn't kill them.
Akwa, you need to stop crying. Yeah? You and I know that you don't have any hand in your parents' death. You don't. You can't even hurt a fly.
But they ate the food that I served them. They ate the food. That's why everyone thinks I killed them. How will I kill my parents? Why will I kill my own parents? Why?
It's okay.
Stop crying. It's okay.
This is why I suspect a foul play. Yes. I know that someone must have poisoned that food.
Yes.
Why will someone even want to poison my parents? Why? They were peaceful, loving and accommodating.
Akwaugo, are you still cooking? Yes, ma'am.
Your father is complaining bitterly of hunger.
I'll soon be done.
Whatever you are doing, be fast about it.
Then now to exercise some patience. The food will soon be ready.
Akwaugo! I cannot see what is holding it.
I'm here.
Can't it be served?
What were you even doing in that kitchen for so long?
I'm coming.
Oh.
She's coming.
The food is here.
Okay.
We have dancing rehearsal today. Let me go to the kitchen and tidy it up.
Okay.
Akwaugo, you are here.
Great is my daughters.
How are your parents?
They are fine. Come and join us.
Enjoy your food.
This one you're smiling. Is there anything you want to share with me?
Yes. Some maidens of this village have declared their interest in joining our dancing group.
Eh? Are you sure about that?
Very sure. They're even at the village square waiting. I hope you're done with your chores.
Yes. I cooked niji and soup. Let me start going to the dancing rehearsal. I'll meet you later.
You have to be very fast about that.
Yes.
Come back here on time.
No problem.
You can go.
Let's go.
What happened to them?
It is obvious they died of food poisoning.
What?
Food poison! I prepared the food myself! I would have eaten the food if not you didn't drag me!
Akwaugo, it's okay. Akwaugo, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Akwaugo, it's okay.
The plan was to wipe the whole family
Akwaugo, it's okay, please now. It's okay now. Akwaugo, it's okay.
What? Just like that, Uche. You all need to see how they treated Akwaugo. Everyone in the village was against her. They tagged her that evil child that killed her own parents. How possible? The worst is they dragged her around the kingdom for something she knew nothing about. Yes. None of them wanted to hear her own side of the story. So her father's kinsmen chased her out from the kingdom.
Hey.
Even when she was begging for her innocence. The cruel thing to do to a human being. And to a poor maiden who lost her both parents. Not only that, it didn't stop there, Obekere. Yes. Her uncle took possession of all her father's property. Lands. That's too bad. That was why my friend went to her maternal home just to stand back her fate. Joy. Akwaugo, you're a strong woman. You just have to console yourself with the fact that you didn't fail your late parents. And you look at you now. You're very successful. Both their children put together are not in any way close to. Akwaugo, you need to be courageous. You need to be strong. Wipe those tears of yours.
The irony of life is that my maternal home that I actually went for refuge, that was where I fell into a trance and saw myself making crafts. And that is the birth of everything that you see now. Yeah. It didn't end there. With the help of my bosom friend Chinwe, her parents brought me back and gave me this land. And I built this hut with the money that I realized from the craftsmaking.
Oh, Jimmy, you're a nice person. Thank you so much. And those same people are still jealous of her. That is the irony of life.
Ezokanime. I still don't understand what is keeping Prince Dikeh and the Princess of Mbaneze. This unnecessary delay is becoming too much. Why?
Even the cabinet is even thinking that by now they should be married during or after the New Yam festival.
Where is it? I don't understand if the prince still knows he does not have any time left. That he should be able to do the needful now. I don't know why he kept us waiting. On a one-way camera, we see, what is the problem? Chere. Is she Aroto?
Oh no.
You don't have to talk about the prince and the heir to the throne of Uruago.
What have I said now? That's wrong.
It's despicable.
All I said is that if he has any problem, he should let us know.
Everything you've just said is wrong. Oh, what is wrong with you? How dare you open this your mouth to talk about the prince of this great kingdom?
Arazu.
Yes.
Am I the one that owns those things you are saying? I hope you are not talking to me.
No. Who else am I talking to?
Eh?
It is you I'm talking to. It is you. Have you lost it?
Oh, have I lost
it?
Look, Igwe.
Watch your utterances.
You are very lucky. You are very lucky.
Watch your utterances.
You are very lucky.
Can two of you sit down and shut up? Is she Aroto?
Oh no.
How can two of you sit before the ego of this kingdom and start exchanging words like market women? Even myself is here. It's too much.
I'm sorry. Igwe
Kanime.
My bosom friend. UGEGBE and Apam. The village laborers. And Halowa.
Arinze, you are very stupid. Yeah? Yes. You are very stupid for calling us laborers. Very stupid at that.
What have I done? Eh? Everybody in this village knows that two of you are just ordinary laborers.
Arinze, you see why you don't have sense.
Afam, forget this fool. Leave this fool. Let's finish up with our job, get paid and leave here. Okay? And for you, go to the oil mill and join your parents in the same business that helps in paying your bill. My candid advice to you.
Wait. You, Dikeh, you are advising me. As who?
Ever since you saw Akwaugo, you stopped working. Yes. All you do is continuously hovering around her like bees to honey.
I even heard that this fool wants to get into craft making just like Akwaugo. Can you imagine?
The same person that went to Akwaugo's house to place order for goods that he wants to sell to other kingdoms. According to him, he is an importer and exporter. Can you imagine? Arinze, importer and exporter.
Arinze, you are one unreasonable and insensitive person I know. You.
Me?
Yes.
Unreasonable?
Yes.
Me? Insensitive?
Yeah.
Well, if you like, call me names. What I know is that our bet is still counting. Eh? You know what that means?
My friend, will you get out of here?
I should get out.
Get out!
I should get out. Okay. I will get out, but just know that once the bet clicks, I know biggie.
And let me warn you, Arinze, be careful with my brother and I. I won't warn you again. Now get out.
Oh.
I said get out!
Keep suffering. Suffer till you die.
Fool. Don't go and hustle.
Please, let's do and get out of here.
Keep working. Suffer. Keep suffering.
Can you imagine?
Keep suffering.
I don't know why two elderly men like you should be quarreling and exchanging words like women.
Is this not this old fool that behaves like a child? This thing.
Come. Arazu.
Yes.
Arazu Iwehu. Look at his beard like that of a he-goat. Iwehu.
Is she Aroto? Aroto?
Oh no.
I am disappointed in you. 100% disappointed in you. Your Majesty, why did you choose the kind of men that cannot control themselves to be among us? Huh?
Did I not say it? Igwe, did I not say it? When the Igwe made mention of this thing, after the demands of his elder brother, I said it, and I will continue to say it. Igwe, you made a very wrong choice.
Arazu.
Back to you.
Ago, Tawagab. Look at this scratchy, scruffy looking thing. Talking to me anyhow. Are you mad?
Back to you.
Ago, Tawagaba.
Back to you.
Otu.
Hey. That is all you know how to do. You lay curses and curses and curses. Yet, there is nothing useful coming out from you. Whatever you have said about me and my family goes back to you.
This is what we have always said. That a man fed by a woman, yes, a man that is being fed by a woman should not be here. We are noble men. You are not supposed to be here.
You, noble. Yes. You. How dare you open this thing? This thing you call mouth. To talk about me and my family.
Did I lie? Did I lie? Yes! Is it not your wife that takes care of you, does everything while you keep bloating about, behaving as if you're anything?
Eh?
We all
what
know
is wrong with two of you? Can you sit down?
Short. Let me tell you something.
What is wrong with two of you? Can't you sit down? Igwe is annoyed. I have to sit down. Arutu, sit down. Have you seen it? Igwe has gone out. What kind of rubbish is wrong with two people?
You want to fight?
Oh no.
Bring it on!
Oh no. Okay, no more.
Oh no.
Oh more.
I have learned not to judge people without hearing their own side of the story. Akwaugo's story is an eye-opener. Indeed, nothing lasts forever. Who would have believed that Mazi Obiechine and his beautiful wife died the way they did?
I'm very sure someone very close to them poisoned that food.
Did you say poison? Did you hear when she said she was the one that prepared the meal that her late parents ate before they died that fateful day? So what are you saying? It is indeed a mystery.
That last food they ate before joining their ancestors was poisoned by someone. That I am sure of. So what are you saying?
Poison? How? By who? Akwaugo never left the kitchen until she was done cooking. So what are you people trying to say?
Akwaugo did not poison her parents. Someone else did.
Now tell me, who did? No, who did? Because my question demands an answer. Who did? You see that Akwaugo? I will never go close to her. She's an evil child.
What?
Yes. But you tell me, why is her own craft different? She sells more than every other person. Everything about her is perfection. What is going on? Tell me. I think she killed her parents in order for her to achieve her goal.
Oh,
at least she might have exchanged them with words.
Uche!
Uche, I want to ask you. So all the stories Akwaugo told you never believed. Hey, what
I don't believe. She's an evil child. I don't believe.
Uche Odekwama is unfair.
Best of the same feather.
Ono Ghana agbako gbaka. Ono kike we gwakwane ya. Nyekwe. Mmene gaje eta. Gwakwane ya. Uche, mind your mouth. Mind your mouth. Shut up! You're still talking. Shut up.
If you don't stop,
may the cause of our life twist your neck.
Leave him.
You are a customer.
Let him continue.
You are a demented fool. You're sick in the head. I would. If I have. Oh no! Don't tell me. Do not tell me.
What is wrong with you?
I will deal with you.
When I look at you,
you're a demented
madman.
How dare you?
You are watching your teeth.
Look at you.
You are mad.
Only
you are stupid.
Fool.
Nonsense.
Fool. Quiet.
Quiet.
My prince.
Hey.
Look at this glorified
I said
madman.
quiet.
Idiot.
Have you all forgotten that this is a royal palace and as such there should be total tranquility?
More.
You're here and things are going wrong right in your presence.
Thank God you are here. They didn't value my presence. Even if I talk to them, they will not listen. You are welcome.
Now, if I should understand correctly, there is supposed to be an ongoing meeting here with the king.
Yes.
Why is the meeting not holding?
Colonel.
My prince,
we were having a meeting with the king before this old demented fool, this cow, this forsaken, glorified monkey started the chaos.
May the gods strike you with madness. May the gods visit you with epilepsy, leprosy, and everything bad.
It is you that the gods will visit with epilepsy, madness.
Quiet.
And
quiet.
Hey!
Oh no.
Abumoa, Prince.
What is this madness inside the king's chamber?
Exactly what I've been telling Ishi Arotu. You see, you cannot discredit the throne, but he cannot listen. I don't know what his problem is since this morning. No. Abumoa, no. It's all right. Hey, it's all right. It's all right. When I look at you, I see madness in you.
When I look at you, I see stupidness and foolishness.
No, nonsense.
Quiet. Oh no.
Abumoa.
Where is Ezel Kanome?
His Royal Highness left us at the midst of this meeting because he was annoyed when these two people were shouting like market women. I can't just understand. Yes. Me. Yes. Me. You're shouting like a market woman. Me. Okay. Hey. Me. My friend. Okay. Me. Hello. Can you listen? Can you listen now? I'm still the Olowu of this kingdom. Let me tell you people. His Majesty have left us. The prince have left us. This meeting is over. Everybody should go to his house. Better. Go. Better.
It is better we meet outside.
Yes.
Omerebere, Obiakeri, Bikon, I just want to make this clear to Uche. If you don't want to learn craft from my friend Akwaugo, Bikon or begging, stay in your hut. We don't need you. Rather than spitting out evil, things you are not sure of. Please.
Bia, Chinwe. Yes, I know Akwaugo is your friend. But please, and for your information, help me and tell her that I'm no longer interested. Yes, I have other better things at home to do.
Better things at home?
Yes.
So, you have better things at home. Then why did you come? On your comita. Please, don't come again. We don't need gossips like you. We don't need people like you. You were better things to do. I don't even know what to believe again.
I don't know. Me, I'm confused.
See, you don't even need to believe. Maybe can't you see the way things is favoring Akwaugo? Eh? In this life, trust no one. No. I think she killed her parents in order to have her way. Best known to her.
Uche.
What?
Uche. Why would Akwaugo want her parents dead? Why? To what use? What will she gain? Tell me.
Why? I believe you have eyes and you can see with it. So don't ask me that question.
Well, just
she should tell us more lies. Yes. She should tell us more lies.
Hey. Well, I don't have anything to say again. Just like Chinwe did, eh? I'm going to leave the both of you alone.
And you are still waiting.
I'm going home to meet my mother. Go. I have errands to go.
Go.
Bye-bye.
Join her. Go. What do you go again?
Of course, you will
not follow her. You don't even believe in me. You don't even believe in Akwaugo. Huh?
But you they gossip.
I gossip past you. You see one again. Okay, gaba zie. Ibu no yansiri ngwa gaba.
Anga biko, mo na ge jiri oku.
Nenu ya. Obu ukwu ka ya.
Father, what really caused their misunderstanding?
Your brother was actually the subject of discussion. It started slowly. Before I could understand what was going on, Arazo and Aroto were on each other's neck because of one stupid joke Aroto made concerning your brother.
Father, what exactly did Aroto say about my brother?
Conclusively, he alleged by that joke that your brother's manhood was no longer functioning.
What?
And that your brother should open up to the men in council instead of keeping them waiting.
What arrant nonsense? Father, why would Aroto say something like that about my brother? Is he okay at all?
That was what he said. And Arazo attacked him. That was it.
Well, Arazo did well by attacking him. I mean, why would Aroto open his mouth so wide and say such an insensitive thing about the noble prince of this kingdom?
Listen, my son. It is already established in council that Aroto does not know how to talk. It's established already.
That's so bad. But Father, you're soft-hearted to too great an extent.
Why will you say that? I am that king who has decided to rule by always trying to understand the feelings and the opinions of others. I don't want to be remembered as an all-knowing king.
Father, in as much as I understand you, a king is meant to be someone with power and authority. I do not want you to be a mean king. Rather, I want you to exude more confidence and energy.
Listen, son. It is always very beautiful for somebody to have power and not use it than to start abusing the power that one has. I don't want to rule my people with high-handedness to the extent of always shutting them down, always preventing them from saying the things they want to say. I want to give them always the benefit of the doubt. And that was actually what my father couldn't do, but because my father was very brutal. Very brutal. Brutal to the extent that nobody dared open his mouth when my father was present. He was very mean to the extent that he intimidated everybody and collected all their lands. And there was nothing they could have done because he was actually that arrogant, that tyrant king. And that was why when I became king, I decided that the best thing for me to do is to release all those lands that my father seized from all the families with intimidation. You needed to have seen the joy on the faces of those families when those lands were given back to them.
Now I understand you, Father.
Good.
My prince, does it mean you have not seen any maiden since then?
My beautiful sister. Not really. But on the other hand, I have been on the lookout to find a suitable maiden for myself. You know, I am not going to marry for myself alone. As the heir to the throne, I am supposed to marry for myself, the family, and the entire kingdom. And as they say, behind every successful man, there is a vicious woman. And on the contrary, behind every failed man, there is also likely to be a woman.
A good queen is that woman who is interested to be in that throne for the entire kingdom at heart.
I will surely find her.
We say...
What is wrong with you, clown?
I was instructed not to even allow your shadow in this palace again.
By who? Who instructed you not to allow me gain access into the palace?
It is an order from above. Now move.
You don't talk to me staring into my eyes. What audacity do you have? Even you?
Yes. My prince, Princess Ijenu is here to see you. Should I usher her?
Prince! Prince Dikeh! Did you order this clown not to allow me access into the palace?
I did.
Yes, we did.
Yes.
Your Majesty,
Princess Ijenu.
you ordered your touts not to allow me gain access into your palace. I demand an apology this minute.
Eh?
I am not talking to you.
How dare you? Do you not have respect for the royal family? Now take your uncultured self, your untrained behavior out of this palace. This minute. Out! And go back to your father before I close my eyes and open them. Out! Out! I said get out! God! Push her out.
Out!
Push her out!
I said push her out!
I said go!
Push her out!
Get out!
Out!
Out! Move! Move!
Out!
Move! Can you imagine? Look at her. A mad dog. Mad dog. Get her. Useless fool. Mad dog.
My princess, are you okay?
Do I look okay to you? Do I? Get out. Out! Come here. I said come here!
Sorry, princess.
What happened just now? What was that?
They prevented you from entering the royal palace of Urago.
They prevent. Was that what happened a few moments ago?
Yes. The Queen Mother, UGEGBE, ordered you not to enter the palace again. To the best of my knowledge, you've lost your chances with Prince Dikeh.
How dare you? Come here. How dare you say that to me? How dare you say that to me?
Sorry, princess.
Get out. This way. Out! Get out! I am the queen. Get out. Get out.
Agunwai. Mmiri doro edo. Ugomba urago niile. Ha, wanya kibie.
Wanya kibie. In all her miserable life, she will not come and itch close to this palace. Let alone Prince Dikeh. Yes. That I know for sure. Yes. It is her audacity for me.
Well, you see, I brought her. Yes. And I fired her. This royal family is known for one thing. The peace and harmony that bind us together. We not allow any maiden to truncate it all in the name of marriage. Yes. Yes. We exude peace. Who says there is no unity in progress? Nobody. Nobody. Ijenu is just a mad woman. Yes. She's not fit to be a bride, not to talk of a queen. Let her just go and look for her likes. Not here. Yes.
Mother, if not for the fact that I was asleep when she came, I would have dealt with her so ruthlessly. Eh?
We've dealt with her already.
Don't worry. The bride and in-laws that will unite this royal family the more are coming. As for Ijenu, she is just good readiness to bad rubbish. Oh, Yobun. No problem. Do not
worry. I want to get married though. Let it not be that I got married before my elder brother.
Do not worry. Like I said earlier, I will go out of my way to find a bride for Dikeh, my son. I trust you now.
It's a promise.
And as for you, Prince Chudi, do not worry. Your brother will get married soon.
Yes.
So,
Why? Come out. Come out and see who is knocking.
I'm coming, no. Who is there? Hey, how is it? Ogema.
See me. How are you?
I'm fine.
Call me businessman.
Businessman.
Just call me a businessman.
No businessman. What is happening? You look so excited. What happened? Did you win anything?
I won more than everything. Okay, guess. Just guess.
Arinze, I cannot guess. What is it?
Okay, Aqua, I sold everything.
Hey!
Sorry.
Hey, you sold everything?
Yes.
That is good news.
You don't even know what happened in the market today.
What happened?
They love everything. They love the design, the color, and everything.
Eh?
You know that people that came with less money, that their money is not complete. They were asking me, when am I coming next time? I'm telling you.
Wait. Is it in this our village, Urago, that you sold everything?
I went as far as Newich.
I'm
an exporter and importer.
I'm so happy for you. This is good business for you.
Yes, that is why I brought this palm wine. So that we will marry. You know, as we are celebrating, more money is coming. And that is it. You will like it.
Palm wine?
Yes.
Bah, I'm sorry, I do not drink. I don't drink. I cannot take it.
No, it's just for celebration.
No, it's not like I'm not happy for you, but I don't drink. Oh?
But I cannot take it alone. I know we are doing this business together, so we need to take it together so that it will flow. Okay, take small. Aqua, drink. Are you not happy for us? We made lots of money today. Drink.
It's not like I'm not happy for you. Mana, I don't like palm wine. But this one is sweet.
It's very sweet. See, let me tell you, palm wine is very nutritious. I'm telling you. See, if you continue taking this palm wine, from now to next market day, if you see your color, you'll be glittering like the sun. I'm telling you. So, drink more.
Are you serious?
Just drink. You don't know before?
Look like Obube gum.
No. Yeah, drink. Drink up. Drink. Keep drinking.
I didn't say helpful.
Take my.
Let's go. See, I want to sleep. Run out.
You want to sleep? Don't fall.
Eh?
You know what?
I cannot fall.
I'll just help you.
I found Akwaugo.
Yes. Akwaugo. Okay. Okay. See what's there. Let me help you. So you go.
You want to help me?
Yes.
Don't help me. No. Don't help me.
I finish this one.
Ura, Ora, I want to sleep.
Okay. Let's go. Yes. Let me help you. Let me go. Afam.
Who's that?
Ikechukwu. It has happened.
Arinze, what is it?
Where is Afam?
Arinze, what is it this early morning? What is it?
Where is Afam? Where is your brother?
What about my brother?
It has happened.
What has happened?
Then
what is the meaning of this?
I just deflowered Akwaugo.
Ta, make you porn again.
See, let me tell you. I slept with her all through the night. We had it. We have been having it all through the night. She was even begging for more. I am telling you.
Congratulations.
Dalo. Hey, wait. What about our bet?
What bet?
I don't understand. I know now. Plots of land, Uno. They now belong to me.
So you think we are fools, right? Eh? You got Akwaugo drunk and came here with blood stain. For what exactly? Eh? For what?
Arinze, we know you. We know you well and what you're capable of doing. You are desperate, which is one fact I dislike about you. A desperate fool can do anything to achieve whatever he wants. Now, this is my advice to you. When you are done limping left, right, and center for winning a trophy, you can return to your people. Once again, congratulations.
Can you say Anobi? Eh?
We should give you our Anobi. My friend, get out of here.
That's gonna make Afam. Okay, because you are two. No problem. I will go and come back. I must have my plots of land. How did Afam know that I got Akwaugo drunk? How? Or is it the way for them not to fulfill their own bets? No, that's by the way. Hi! But Akwaugo is very sweet too. Eh? I cannot believe that I just had the most beautiful maiden of Urago Kingdom. Hi! Akwaugo is very sweet. Very, very sweet. Everywhere tight. I had to force into it. I enjoyed myself. Hi. Once she wakes up, hi. She was very tired. The thing will just hit her. Bam! I enjoyed myself. As for Afam and Dikeh too. Oh, I'm coming back for the plots of land. I'm coming back. Arinze. Him and Wulife.
Chimo. Nne. Wake up now. Can you Ozzy? Since morning. Isigi. What happened? What happened to you?
I drank so much palm wine.
I don't understand. You now drink?
Arinze, he brought a keg of palm wine and he was forcing me to take it. I told him I don't drink, but he kept forcing me.
Ne.
No!
How did you take your virginity? Huh? Ha! I told you about this Arinze. I told you that man is not a good man. He's of no use. I told you.
Huh? He brought my wine and was forcing me, Arinze Bugobo. He told me he sold all the crafts that we should celebrate.
Those crafts are still packed in his father's compound. They are not sold. Now look at you.
What will I do, my friend? Chinwe, help me. Blood.
We need to go there now. We need to go there now. Yes, that's what we have to do. Ozugo.
Arinze!
Arinze!
Arinze, why did you do this to me?
Good morning. Arinze, come back here. Where are you coming back from?
Are you not going to answer your father? Where did you sleep last night?
No. I slept in a friend's place.
Asi, it is a lie. Arinze Akogi. It is a lie, oh, Asi. Arinze, tell them that you slept in Akwaugo's hut yesterday.
Which Akwaugo? Arinze, the same Owanje I warned you of. How come you slept in her hut?
Me Owanje?
It was not only that. He even took her virginity. Obrasi, Nekuya, Zayegosia.
Arinze, how could you do such a thing to an orphan?
You, Ekwesu, it was all your plot to just get in between my legs. You will never see any good thing.
No, the Omanja that killed her parents. Now you are after my son.
Hey, for this thing you did to me, you will die.
Leave me alone. Kill you after my son.
Leave me alone.
Leave him alone.
Mama, leave your son. You're supposed to hear your son. Ekwesu.
Arinze! No, you stress yourself. The gods will fight for you. You see that Arinze? That Arinze, he's a finished man.
From the look of this, you know that we are the best workers in this village.
Unlike us.
Hey.
Chinwe, this one you look so gloomy. Are you okay?
You're asking me if I'm okay. Do I look okay? No. Do I look okay when your stupid friend, your useless, big for nothing friend, Arinze, got my friend drunk and enjoyed the woman in her, and you are asking me if I'm okay?
Sorry.
I don't understand what is funny. What is funny? I am saying that your friend Arinze got my friend drunk and took her virginity on her togochi. What is funny?
Are you serious now? Did I not tell you? Did I not tell you that Arinze is so desperate to win this bet? He knows that ordinarily, Akwaugo will not fall for him. He decided to get her drunk.
You said it, my brother. You said it. Are you serious?
I heard bet. What bet are you two talking about?
Well, Arinze was making mouth that he's going to have Akwa. And so my brother and I told him that he wouldn't succeed should he try. The Akwaugo that I know is not like the other maidens. I told him, but you know, Arinze, he likes to brag. He said, me, Arinze, who doesn't know Arinze? I can have any maiden. I can have this, I can have that. So you mean Arinze got Akwaugo drunk and took her virginity?
The thing is that we made a bet that if he tries and succeeds, that we are going to give him an obianye. But if he tries and fails, that he will be the one to forfeit his.
Exactly.
Yes.
That was the bet.
I want to get this clearly. I want to just get this clearly. Are you saying Arinze used his trickish way just to get Akwaugo, my friend?
Yeah.
Hi! Hey. Arinze, may our gods continue to punish you. Arinze, it shall never be well with you. Thank you for this information.
Yeah, you are welcome.
Okay.
Chinwe, are you not going home? I told you now.
I wonder what we are doing with such a person. Can you imagine?
I've told you about Arinze right from time. See, the main thing is that we should continue with our work. He didn't win the bet, so our Nobi is with us.
Exactly.
Yes, now.
Let's go, my brother.
Nee. Could you believe that it was all a bet? Yes.
What are you talking about?
Arinze had a bet with his friend Mejima. Just to sleep with you.
Chinwe.
Yes.
You mean Arinze reduced me to something as low as a bet?
I told you. I told you that Arinze is good for nothing man. A man that still depends on his parents or your business. He's just an empty vessel. Now, look at you. Come to think of it, you agreeing to drink with him still beats my imagination. What came over you? What?
Chinwe, I didn't see this coming. He deceived me. He deceived me.
Now it's all late. Everybody will speak ill of you. The common Arinze had his ways. He slept with you. That is what everybody will say. They won't want to listen to your own story. I told you. You don't have to cry. Okay? Oh?
Arinze, you will never go unpunished. You will never go scot-free.
Zuko. I know how it feels. Zuko. 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 Please. I had a dream.
What dream?
Wipe your tears before I tell you, because it's a good dream. I don't want to see you cry again. Okay. I saw you in my dream. You were married to the prince of this kingdom. You were looking so beautiful. And I just want you to be happy.
I won't come home. Greetings, my friends.
Greetings, Adugo and our friend Chinwe, daughter of Onowa UGEGBE.
My prince, you know my name?
Of course I do. And who does not know Akwaugo? The most beautiful of them all.
Thank you, my friends.
You're welcome. This is my first time of seeing you, and I must say, you're not short of what I heard about you.
Hey, my prince, it depends on what you actually heard.
Akwaugo, you're beautiful. Very beautiful.
Thank you, my friends.
Can I visit you?
Visit me? I'm sorry, my prince. I don't entertain male visitors.
Okay. In that case, can you visit me at the palace? Yes, I'd like for us to have a discussion.
It's
Woman of Uruagu, what troubles you?
My life has come to an end.
Woman, you are not dead. You are right before me and I'm asking you, what is the problem?
See what my husband did to me. He beat me black and blue because I kick against him taking another wife.
Your husband beat you up?
Yes.
Nobody deserves to be treated the way you have been treated. Father, you must do something about this. What are you saying?
Who is your husband?
Ndudikwe.
Ndudikwe, the one that deals on oil?
UGEZU, please help me. I cannot bear to see another woman in my home. Talk more of being a mistress to my husband. She's a widow. My husband has been seen her behind me.
Whose widow?
Olefola's widow.
What? Your husband has been seeing Onefola's widow?
Yes, UGEZU.
How dare you lay your hands on my mother? Eh? Ndunigwe? Arinze. I don't want to say what bandia for. Is it me, your father, you're calling Ndunigwe? What is your name? Is your name not Ndunigwe? Eh? You left your wife and went to Onefola's widow to lay with her. Eh? You want to live with a widow that has 7 children? The same way you sneaked into Akwaugo's hut, got her drunk, and deflowered her. Shameless son. At least, Akwaugo is a young maiden. She's young. I love the part that you said I deflowered her. At least, she wants it. Look at you. Keto, calling pot black. See, let me tell you. If you are trying to bring that woman to this compound with the children, you've not fed us. You want to bring another people to this compound, it will not work. Since you've decided to kill me, your father, before my time, let me bring her in and face my new family. Which new family? New family indeed. Just try it. Try it. Demi, I'm not joking with you. I'm not threatening you. But if you try it, if you try it, what I will do to you? Arinze, I'm better than you. Oh, you see? It runs in our blood. Akuna. I took over you now. But don't try it. If you dare me, if you dare bring that woman to this compound, what I will do to you? What I will do to you and her? Am I like here? Arinze, I dare you. I will show you that I'm still your father. Thief, Onyoshi. You stole the money I made from selling oil at Warriors Mbaneze market and used it and bought mats and basket and dumped them at the backyard. More thief. More thief. More thief. More thief.
Please stop my husband from taking a kemma. Let Oneforos widow as his wife, please.
What will I not see? I mean, where does this even happen? Even Dunigwe has finally decided to marry a widow because there is nothing wrong with a man marrying a widow. But if he has decided that a widow must be his second wife, why must it be Oneforos' widow? Why?
Father, I think you should summon Ndunigwe immediately.
What? Udoka! Abunia!
Igwe.
I need you to go and bring Ndunigwe here before me now.
Right away.
Oh, yes.
Is that woman to the best of my knowledge?
For you know, help! Help!
Arise!
What is way?
Greetings. The king needs your presence in the palace.
Any problem?
When we get there, you will find out. But let's go. What happened?
Hey!
Akwaugo mama o Onya kanya diota Akwaugo mama o Elele bebwe o Mwaka bosoma o
Why am I this tired?
Mwata na wambo o Manande madu nasi Ufodu boro yama o Ufodu boro nyasi Manobu mwetine melo Akwaugo Ndoroti titendoro Ndoroti titendoro Ndoroti titendoro Ndoroti titendoro Akwaugo mama o Ndoroti titendoro Onya kanya diota Ndoroti titendoro Akwaugo mama
I feel so weak and tired. Could this even be a sign of high fever? Yeah, AJAELO. Because all my bones are so weak. I'm so tired.
Ndunigwe,
Your Highness.
in one very short sentence, tell me why I am not going to order for your castration, for planning to bring a population upon my land, trying to marry a young widow who just lost her husband, who is still not ready and cleansed for marriage. Tell me why I will not order for your castration.
Your Highness, I do not understand.
What is it that you don't understand? Ndunigwe, are you sleeping with a Kem or Oneforos' widow or not?
Your Highness, and who said I'm sleeping with her?
Okay, your wife. Your wife here ran in as I was sitting outside here discussing something very crucial with my son. With the allegation that you beat her up. In fact, we saw the evidence of the beating on her body. You beat her up because she tried to stop you from making a Kemma your second wife.
Tofiagwa.
What is Tofiagwa?
I do not sleep with her. Nor do I have any intention of marrying a widow with 7 children.
Liar! I know you will deny it!
What's going on?
Okonwa, tell them what you did to me.
Tell them.
What did I do to you? What?
You don't want to tell them. Then I will tell them myself.
You are lucky I did not cut it off. I would have cut it off and fed you with it.
Your Highness, this woman here ceased to be my wife the very moment she conceived killing me in my sleep over mere accusation.
Come and pursue me, let me see. I'm not fear.
You don't want to tell them what you did to me. You don't want to tell them. Okay, I will tell them myself. Your Highness, I was sleeping when she bit into me and gripped me on my manhood and tried to pull it out of my body.
Gods of our land. Father.
I suddenly jerked up with so much pain, only for me to see that it was my wife with a knife to cut me off. I was begging her to spare my life, but no. She said she was going to kill me for cheating on her with Ekema. What I've never thought of, not even in my wildest dream, knowing that the woman is even our biggest customer. Ekema is even her friend. It was when I kicked her away with my last strength that I started beating her. Then I told her that I'm going to marry Ekema. If the heaven is going to fall, let it fall. The lies he told my son, Arinze beat me up like a child. He was even on it when the palace guards came into my compound.
This is so unheard of.
Son, have you seen why it is not ever wise for anybody to judge on anything without hearing from the other side? Have you seen it?
Yes, Father, you are right.
The first rule in justice administration: hear all the sides. I am not going to say anything concerning this until I hear from Ekema. Abunia,
Igwe,
go and bring Ekema here.
This is a slap on my face. How can someone accuse me of... No, this is not happening. Because I lost my husband. Is that the reason someone will accuse me of something I know nothing about?
Please, Ekema, I wouldn't want you to bring in sentiments into this and get it twisted. I called you here because I want to get to the truth of this case.
This is a blow to my personality. I know I just lost my husband, but is it the reason why someone will accuse me of sleeping with Odinigwe and even planning to marry him with my children? Is it the reason?
Ekema, let me just tell you. Okonwa here almost killed her husband in his sleep because of you.
Okonwa? Yes. You? My friend? How can you do this to me? How can you accuse me of this kind of...
What wrong did I do to deserve this manner of humiliation? What did I do? Have you seen me close to Ndunigwe to accuse me of this kind of heavy accusation? Crocodile tears. Must I say him on top of you to confirm what I am suspecting? Suspicion? So this is all about suspicion? Ekemma, leave my husband alone. Leave him alone. I don't have anything to do with your husband, and please can you remove my name from your lips? Until you stop whatever you are doing with my husband. Hi, Chimo. I have nothing with your husband. Nothing. And please, my king, I beg to take my leave. Ukongwa, for dragging an innocent widow. You will not get away with this.
Your Highness, whatever you decide to do to this woman because of this, you have my consent. And you, I should have known how evil you are. Get out of my sight immediately. You want to know what I can do? Get out! How can a human being be this evil?
She's very manipulative.
Very manipulative indeed.
Ukongwa, you have the right to accuse me of sleeping with your husband, Ndunigwe. Just because I am a widow. You can see how they're accusing your poor widow Neforodimu. You can see how they are shamelessly accusing me of sleeping with another man. Even when you are alive, I've never tried such. Not to talk of now that I'm still wearing your morning clothes. Neforodimu, arise. Oh, the gods of widow, arise, arise. Gods of the widows, arise, 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 Makanobia Mawakwamu. This is heavy on me, arise, arise. The gods of the widow, arise. Arise, Makanobia Mawakwamu.
Oh, I don't understand. Mother, you made me to beat up my own father because of your cooked up stories.
Did I ask you to beat him up? Eh?
Mother, you told me that my father was having something with Ekemma. Eh? Do you know the gravity of what you've done to me?
Arinze, you are accused already for doing something that is as grievous as what you did to me, your father. You shall suffer. You.
Mother, I'm going to live with this curse all my life because of your evil plot. You are an evil woman. I hate you.
Arinze!
Okonwa, you have succeeded in destroying your family by sheer stupidity.
Ndunigwe, you and Ekema cannot be innocent. I know what I heard. I equally know what I saw. You are cheating on me with that widow.
Okonwa, I'm tired. I think you should go back to your parents.
Upe.
Better still, I shall return you to your people with my kingsmen and collect the dowry I paid on you.
Akuko.
I don't want to marry again.
Akuko. Oh yeah, come and bundle me out of this hut, let me see. Rather, it's you that will reach your maternal home.
Thank the gods, I have the support of Eze Okanume to do to you whatever I will.
Why won't a polygamous king support you on your evil life? Why would he? When he has 2 wives and also planning of marrying as many wives as he likes.
Hey, if Eze want to marry 20 wives, he has the right to do it. After all, there's no law in this kingdom that stops him from marrying how many wives he wants. Look at you, look at your son. Like mother, like son.
No! It's like father, like son. Watch his leg. Watch your own. Watch his footstep. Don't even go there.
Hey! Look at it. You said it. Are you sure that that boy is my son? Look at his leg. Look at mine. Look at his complexion. Look at mine. He is fair and I'm dark. You're going to tell the king's men where you got that boy.
Oh, you want him to be as dark as you are? Because Chalam knows her.
You're going to tell the king's men. Don't worry.
Go to your maternal home. Your maternal home is calling you. Just Biko, go and rest. Nonsense.
Okay. You mean you're pregnant? Huh?
Yes.
There is no doubt that the almighty Akwaugo is pregnant. But the person responsible is what will unfold soon.
I disagree. I mean, how can you be talking as if you are sure? It might be fever, Ajoiba.
Did you say Ajiba? No, Ajiba indeed. It's written all over her. I saw it in her eyes. Can't you see? Or have you forgotten my mother is a midwife?
So because your mother is a midwife, you can now tell a pregnant person, Uche.
Yes, of course, Obangiri. Listen, you know one thing about pregnancy. Pregnancy is something that does not hide. You understand? It's a matter of few months, and it will be clear to everybody. Yes.
I now believe that this Akwaugo is not what she seems.
Oh.
At all. She's not what she seems. I have cleared my doubts. She's a pretender, and you know what he said about pretenders? They do the worst. Akwaugo is too loose. Because if not, how come she gets pregnant? How come? Because she will not tell me that she was impregnated by a spirit.
Oh, please answer the question.
See, the both of you should stop. Yes, the Akwaugo that I know is a decent maiden. She's not a loose maiden. So I don't think it has anything to do with what the both of you are blabbing about. The both of you should stop. Yes.
Did I hear you say blab?
Yes.
So we are now blabbers. No, we are blabbing. Yes.
It's just a matter of time.
Yes.
I don't even know what I'm even like. What am I even doing with the both of you?
Go. You always go. Every time you are leaving, you have been in a hurry of leaving. Go.
Me self, I'm confused.
You just said why will she get pregnant? Now you are confused. Who is confusing you? She or me?
Arinze, what you ordered has landed. You see my friend here? You must marry her.
Marry who? My son will never marry her.
Nne, your son must marry my friend. He impregnated my friend. Ania.
Chinwe, daughter of Onowu Abanwe Dikeh, are you telling us that Arinze here impregnated Akwaugo?
Yes, Nai.
Afiocha.
Wait, Akwaugo,
So you went and told your friend that I got you pregnant. Have you forgotten that before I went into that place, men have been trooping in and coming out? So why me?
Are you mad? How dare you lie in my presence? How will you slap my son in front of me?
You slapped me. What next?
You evil child. Was that why you used your evil hand that slapped my son?
Biko Narinze, don't call my friend evil.
Hey! My friend is not evil.
Arinze, your son here, impregnated my friend.
Arinze.
He must marry her. Are you not evil?
Hey! No him.
Arinze. Agwani horolo abotorolan. It is time for you to do the needful.
Nam, I don't understand you. See, if you are here for me to marry you, Akwaugo, it is not possible. Nam, I cannot marry this Obanje. I cannot marry this Mami Water.
Arinze, the same way you nursed the thought of getting her drunk and moving in with her, it is the same way that you are going to nurse the thought of making her your wife now that you have gotten her pregnant.
Must marry her.
Nam, let me say it again. Let me repeat myself. I cannot marry you. You better take this thing inside your womb to whosoever that got you pregnant, because I still can count how many men that have been going in and coming out. For me, I will never marry you. Nam, Apokwam.
Arinze, you must marry my friend.
Arinze,
you must marry my friend.
Arinze.
Arinze, may the ghost fight. May the ghost destroy that your mouth. Arinze must marry my friend. Arinze must marry my friend.
It is a lie. My son will never marry her.
Let us call evil evil. Your son is evil.
My son will never marry
my friend.
Ujumo. Ujujuleju. See, look at everywhere. Look at everywhere.
Arinze, you keep calling me that.
Ijulejunu. You're very sweet. I love you.
What about the beats you promised to give me?
The beats. Hey, beats. That will be tomorrow. Echi.
That was not what you told me before I agreed to do it with you. We are sweet-tonguing me before I agreed to...
Ariwa, mama. Hey, ọchịcha mere ihe buru ke. Apianwe. Inacharugon. That is the only thing you know how to do. Sweet-tonguing her, deceiving her.
What is she talking about?
So it has not stopped. Okusibe, don't you know her? Who does not know Chinwe in this kingdom? She ran mad last week, Izugaraga. If not for the herbalist. Even the herbalist is still giving her herbs.
Are you sure?
And when Amaro?
How come I've not heard of this?
You are just hearing it now.
Wait, you said this happened last week.
Izugaraga, oh no, Bonama.
Hey, Chinwe. So you have mental problem.
Obia. She will bite you.
I'm not here. Just look at what you are doing here. Pity yourself, Obianuju. Very soon, Very, very soon. Oyabanye, it will enter. And as for you, Arinze, I don't have anything to tell you. Get ready open.
Come on, group. Look at the mother.
What called draw? Bad man, evil man.
Arinze, did you sleep with her too?
Mwa. How will I sleep with a mad woman? I can never do that. Leave her. Let's continue. Uju. You're taking this. Uju. Wait. Uju, wait. Uju, wait. Eh?
Arinze, what is it? Why are you following me around and causing unnecessary distractions towards me? Why don't you go home and meet your parents? And leave me alone, since you do not want to tell me the truth concerning what Chinwe said.
How can you believe Chinwe? That mad woman. Like I told you, the herbalist is still working on her. Eh? She's raving mad on her yala.
If it's not Chinwe, then who did you get pregnant and deny being responsible?
Me. Oh. you didn't know. I am impotent. I cannot get anybody pregnant. I cannot.
You are lying. Obviously. You are lying again.
I cannot lie because of getting pregnant. I cannot. I love you. Eh? What is possible? I am not lying. Eh? Calm down. Obian Uju. Eh? Do you know them?
Yes, Arinze, she knows us.
She knows us. She knows us.
Yeah.
Who are you sleeping with? Tell me.
What rubbish? Why are you accusing me of sleeping with Afam and Ike?
What about Ike?
Arinze, you're very stupid. Yes, you are very stupid for thinking that everyone is just like you.
Kechko, please, let's leave this fool and go our way, please. Let's go.
Better watch your tongue. Watch your tongue. Hey, if you leave.
Okay, let's go.
Better watch your tongue. You fool. You think we are like you?
Hello. Uju, okay. We even called him Ike instead of Ike Chugu. Ike na Chafu. Eh?
Arinze, it's obvious you do not have any regard for me. It's not your fault. Yes, it's not your fault. I blame myself.
Muke de Melo. Ha! You surprised Kwam. Hey! Oben you surprised Kwam no more. You surprised Kwam. Hey! Uncle Wadi.
Son?
Mother.
Where are you going to?
Mother, I want to take a walk around the kingdom.
Oh, I see. Please, make sure you go with the palace guard, oh?
Okay, Mother, I will.
All right.
Mother, could you ask the palace cook to prepare ukwa for me? I'd love to eat it when I come back.
Ukwa?
Yes.
In that case, I'll ask them to prepare ukwa for the royal household.
Mother, do your thing.
And please do not stay long.
I'll wait, Mother. Before you know it, I'll be back.
Please go with the guard.
Mother, I will.
Keep coming.
Arinze, help my car. Keep
shouting.
Help.
Keep shouting.
Leave me alone.
Just keep shouting.
Leave me alone.
You must chew this thing.
I will not chew it.
Chew it and get rid of this rubbish in your womb.
I will not chew it.
You will not chew it.
You said it was not your child. You want to get rid of my first seed. Okay. You call me an akuna. I will not chew it. Arinze, leave me alone. No. Leave me alone. I will not chew it. I will not chew it. Amaga, leave me alone. I'm losing my patience.
Hey! Akwaugo. Okay. Abu, come back here. Akwaugo.
Leave me out.
What is going on here?
He wants to kill me.
You want to kill me. Stop! My friends, greetings.
You've not answered my question. Why are you chasing the maiden of this kingdom with a machete?
My prince, I...
Speak!
Hey! Akwaugo!
Come! Come and get her to her hut. Quick! Take her there. I'm coming.
Let me help you. Finally, you are back. May the gods be praised.
What happened?
You fainted.
I did.
Yes, you did. Where is everyone? Your parents, your siblings?
My parents are late.
I am so sorry about that. So what about your siblings?
My parents had only me before their journey to beyond.
So sorry to hear this. Akwaugo. Ah. So it is you. Daughter of late Obiechin. Can you tell me about the drama that transpired between you and Arinze on the village road? Is he your boyfriend? Akwaugo, are you pregnant?
He's not my boyfriend.
Then, what is the relationship between you and him? Because no man in his right senses would persuade a maiden to chew an abortion leaf. Akwaugo, rumors around the village have it that you are a very decent maiden. Disciplined. Could all this be a lie? Are you pregnant for him?
I'm not pregnant.
Akwaugo, are you also a liar? I would be on my way.
cannot possibly tell him that I was violated.
This is my first time of seeing her, even though I have heard so much about her and her gift with craft. News around the kingdom has it that she's a very gifted, beautiful orphan. Very responsible, they say. But the question is, how did a very responsible maiden like Akwaugo end up in such pitiable situation? A mess.
Arinze.
Oh, what is it? What is it?
My stomach, my stomach. I'm dying. My stomach, please help me. I don't want to die. Please save me.
You won't die, you won't. You eat.
I'm not even eating since morning. My stomach. My stomach.
It's okay. Look, just try.
I'm dying.
Resting a bit.
I'm dying. My stomach.
Wait, if...
My stomach.
Blood?
My stomach. Afomo. Ewo. Àwọn kwanu mo. Afomo. My stomach. Oh, please.
I know it is bitter. Sorry. I know it is bitter. It is going to help you. Yeah? Take more. Sorry. I know it is bitter, but it is going to help you. Yeah. Sorry. Akwaugo, you did this?
Yes. Not just that. The bag, the beads, everything. It's just that I've supplied the ones that I made.
The gods have really blessed you with the gift of creativity. This is beautiful. As beautiful as you.
Thank you.
This is unique.
Thank you, my prince. The way you're looking at the bead seems you like it already.
I love it.
Okay, you can have it. My little gift to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I will forever cherish this and keep it safe in remembrance of your generosity.
If you say so, my friends.
I love it. Akwaugo, I have waited for 3 days. Yet, you have refused to tell me what transpired between you and Arinze.
I was never going to say this.
What do you mean? Say it.
He took advantage of me.
Arinze took advantage of you. How? Tell me about it.
He got me drunk and...
Arinze got you drunk? He did that to you? Tell me more.
All my life, I've lived a life of misery, loneliness, and I've just been doing all of this to get over it. Until he cunningly meandered his way into my heart. And that's what happened.
Are you saying Arinze did all this to you? He tricked his way into your life and tricked his way out of your life. Arinze cannot treat you this badly and go scot-free. I must deal with him.
My prince, please, just let it go. I'm a maiden in this kingdom. I don't want this to go out of here. It might not go well with me, please.
Akwaugo, you do not have to bother yourself, for I am behind you. Look, once I return to the palace, I am going to inform my father, and I will make sure that Arinze faces due punishment.
To what end, my prince? I already lost the pregnancy. There's no proof. There's no need. Just let it go, please.
Akwaugo, with everything Arinze has put you through, the pain, the humiliation, the embarrassment, you want him to just walk away like that? Unpunished?
Ever heard of karma? I just want to leave whatever that happened between Arinze and I to the gods. I sincerely don't have anything to say about it. If the gods are okay with it, let it be.
No. Greetings, my friend.
No.
Greetings, daughter of Ono.
Thank you, my friend. Papa, careful.
I'm fine.
Oh, I can see you're fine.
Maidens, I should be on my way.
My prince. Oh,
my prince, I just want to tell you, thank you for everything. I did not take it for granted. May the gods bless you.
Thank you.
He say, my friend is right, eh? May the gods bless you, my prince, and give you a beautiful wife just like my friend Akwaugo. Eh?
Please.
Maidens, thank you so much. I should be on my way.
Dalo.
I came at the wrong time. Because of me, he left.
Why are you calling my name? Did he tell you he wants to marry?
You know, see the combo. Oh no, Maka, Maka.
What is this thing?
I brought you food.
How did you know I was hungry?
I know now.
My friend.
Wait. What? Before this food, just me.
Just about what? He just came, we were just discussing, nothing more.
Just discussing.
You like a castle?
Look at the combo now.
Prince Dikeh, where have you been all day?
Greetings, mother. Greetings, mother.
Greetings, my prince. You kept us worried. Where have you been?
Mother, I went to see a friend.
Did you just say you went out to see a friend?
Yes, mother.
Prince Dikeh, the last time I checked, you do not have a friend.
Mother, I do have a friend.
Oh, really? The only friend that could make Prince Dikeh to leave the palace without a palace guard is a female. Yes. Am I right? So tell me, who is she?
Mother, why are you interrogating me?
Because you're my son.
Mother, I am exhausted. I would like to have some rest.
Come back here. Answer my question. Who is she?
Please, my prince. Next time you want to go out, make sure you go with a guard, at least. Oh, I don't want anything to happen to you. You know, go on.
Mother, I will. Thank you. I need to take a rest.
Okay. You can now go. It's okay.
Mother, sit down. Sit. Thank God it's back. Thank the God it's back. Sit down.
Hey, thank God it's back.
Mother, thank the gods that Prince Jide is back safely. But then, you all four people should know that Prince Dikeh is no longer a child. He's an adult, and he should be left alone to do things his own way.
Meaning?
Yeah. Meaning that Prince Dikeh is no longer a child. He might decide to go out there and find a bride by himself.
Well, let me say this for clarity's sake. I have said it before and I will repeat it again. I will go out of my way to find a bride.
Yes.
For Prince Dikeh, my son.
Mother, please stop. Things are not done that way. My brother is no longer a child, like Prince Chudi said. He is a man of his own and should be allowed to take decision by himself.
Will you shut up your mouth? What do you know?
Mother, enough to know my brother knows what he wants.
Yes. I see. I sense gang up.
Exactly. Don't mind them.
Greetings, Chinwe. How are you? I see you went to fetch firewood.
Yes, my prince. They are for my friend Akwaugo.
Ah. This is very thoughtful of you.
Thank you, my prince. You know, Akwaugo has been my childhood friend. So now that she's not that strong, I decided to help her out.
It is very obvious. Very obvious.
Yeah.
And I want to talk to you about something, if you don't mind.
Hope there is no problem.
Not at all. It is about your friend, Akwaugo.
Okay.
The other day I was taking a walk with my guard around the kingdom, and out of nowhere, Akwaugo ran into me. She was chased by Arinze, who was holding an abortion leaf. As a matter of fact, I saved her life. And since then, I have been wondering what could have transpired between the both of them.
My prince, the truth is, you won't like to hear the story.
I would like to hear the story. You can confide in me.
Arinze is such a shameless, senseless, wicked being I've ever seen in my life. Arinze, with his corny ways, crawled in Akwaugo's life just to destroy that poor maiden's life, to cause problem and havoc in her life. Arinze got my friend drunk, made his way with her. The next morning, he disappeared.
Are you sure about this?
My prince, 100% sure. Arinze took my friend's virginity, her pride, in such bad manner, and it breaks her.
And what did Akwaugo do about this?
We went to her father's compound just to confront him. Nothing much.
Did Akwaugo take any further action?
So people will criticize her, so that the world will say evil about her without hearing her own side of the story. She let it slide. Yes. My prince, I want to thank you for everything you have been doing for my friend. We really appreciate. May our gods continue to bless you.
And may the gods bless you too.
Thank you, my prince.
Ichiaruto, you sent for me. I hope there is no problem.
My prince, there's no problem. I just wanted to know what you're thinking about your marital life.
My marital life? What about it?
My prince, don't you think it's a high time you got married?
Ichiaruto, are you talking to me?
My prince, of course, you know there's no other person here. Okay. It's only you and I that are here.
I'm all ears.
My prince, shouldn't you be thinking of getting married by now?
I should be thinking of getting married by now. Yes. Even when my elder brother, Prince Dikeh, is not yet married. Ichie, you know I cannot do that. You know that, right?
My prince, that's the main reason I decided to bring you here for us to talk. I want you to know that if you get married now before the head prince, you will be in a better position to become the prince and heir to the throne.
Ichiarutu, I am surprised this is coming from you. Wait, is this why you invited me over? To ignite chaos in the royal household?
No, no, prince. I have no intention of doing that.
Enough. I've always known you're an evil man. Yes, I have always known.
My prince.
I said enough. Now let me warn you, Ichiarutu. Let this be the first and the last time you ever invite me over for such nonsensical talks.
My prince. My prince, you are walking out on me. All right. Somebody must break that bond, that royal family. And I can't wait to see that peace and harmony in that family scattered. And there's no other person that will do it. I, Ichiarutu, I must make sure I break that peace and harmony.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, Akwaugo. We meet again. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Oh, good to hear. Akwaugo, you know, since I met you, I've not been able to get you off my mind. I want to be the shoulder you cry on. I like you. I want to be the one you share your fears and triumphs with.
My prince, I don't understand. I'm sorry.
Akwaugo, what I'm saying is that you're very beautiful and I love you. Alright? As a matter of fact, to show you how serious I am willing to marry you as soon as possible if you accept to be my bride.
Hey, my prince. How? Is it how your father, the king, met your mother and they got married? What are you even saying?
Okay, I understand you. Do you want me to go and announce it to the royal family first? If you want me to do that, I will. Okay, just for you to see how serious I am.
My prince, please, I'm just coming back from the market. I had a very stressful day. I need to go and rest. Biko, you got the knock, oh?
Then in that case, I will go with you to your house.
Eh?
Yes. When we get to your house, you go in, you rest. I'll be waiting just outside for you.
It's again. Please, that cannot happen. Just go. We might meet someone that time. Please, you have to go. Don't follow me now. Go.
Dikeh, I must have to register my disapproval over your delay. What exactly is wrong with you? Why are you not doing what is expected of you as the head prince of this land? Why are you not thinking of marriage? Why?
Father, who said I am not thinking about marriage?
I am the one saying it.
Father, but you know otherwise that I do want to get married.
If you are thinking of marriage, why are you not married? No. Why have you not brought a wife home? Or is it that you cannot do it? Prove to me that you cannot do it and I will go all out and do it for you.
No, please, Father. I can do it for myself.
If you can do it for yourself, why have you not done it?
Father, all I have ever asked, and I am still asking, time, please.
What length of time? I need to know.
Time, Father.
Time. Prince Dikeh, you may not understand what is going on, but I am going to break it down. Get a wife for yourself. Present to me. Because if you fail and your younger brother marries before you will automatically lose your inheritance in this kingdom. And that is the throne of your fathers.
Father? Greetings, Father.
Greetings, son.
Father, guess what? I have found her.
You found who?
The maiden I want to get married to.
Interesting. Who is she and what does she represent?
Father, her name is Akwaugo. Akwaugo. Yes.
Did you just say you want to get married to Akwaugo?
Yes, my brother. The most beautiful maiden in Nollywood Kingdom. My brother, you need to see her. Father, she is a breathtaking beauty to behold. I am so happy, Father.
You should be.
My brother, you should be happy for me.
What are you getting at?
Akwaugo, answering a question with another question is not ideal. And I ask you again. What is going on between you and my younger brother, Prince Jody?
He asked me to marry him.
And?
What do you mean, and?
You want to marry my younger brother?
My prince. Prince Dikeh. Why did he walk out like that?
Greetings, Father.
Greetings, my king.
Greetings, beautiful maiden of my land.
Greetings, Her Majesty.
Omalicha, you are welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Greetings, Prince Dikeh.
Akwaugo. Greetings.
Father? Mother, this is Akwaugo, the beautiful maiden, the one my heart beats for.
Yes. Have you made your intention known to her?
Yes, Father. I have asked her to marry me.
I need you to tell me, my son, has she accepted to be your wife? I mean, Akwaugo,
My king.
have you accepted to be my son's wife?
My king,
Father, like she rightly wants to say, I believe she needs time to think it through.
How?
If you say so.
Maka. Hey! Hey! Come and hug me.
If you say so.
Come. I can't wait to have you as my daughter-in-law. You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Oh, Maka. Let's sit down. Oh. My king, is she not beautiful?
What I feared most is about to happen. Prince Dikeh, you have to beg your brother to slow down for you to find your bride. You must get married before him.
Mother, I would like to be left alone.
I tried stopping this, but you were adamant. Listen, you must not lose the throne to your younger brother. You must not.
Mother, I said, I want to be left alone.
And I said, you must do everything you can to get married today, tomorrow. You must not lose your inheritance to Prince Chude. Do not say I did not warn you.
Akwaugo, you're yet to give me an answer. I am dying to have you.
If I may ask, why do you wish to marry me?
Because you're beautiful.
Wait. You really want to marry me just because I am beautiful?
Yes, Akwaugo. You're extremely beautiful and you're befitting for a prince.
Prince Judy, you think that is enough for a prince to want to marry a maiden? Just beauty. Prince Judy.
Akwaugo, what are you doing with Prince Trudy?
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings.
Eh? What are you doing with him?
Are you seriously asking me that? Are you insane?
Arinze, don't tell me you did not see me here.
See, let it not be what I'm thinking of. Eh?
You think I care about your thoughts?
Akwaugo, let me tell you, no one else should have you. I'm the only one. You are mine. You belong to me.
I don't blame you. You're a fool. Imarife, you born Nuku. Will you get out from this place?
No problem. Call me names. Just call me names. But we shall see. Kodi?
Arinze! Arinze! Arinze!
What was that? Are you sleeping with Arinze?
No.
My brother, I want to get married. But then I do not want it to be as if I got married before you. Of course, you know what that entails. You will lose your birthright to me, and I do not want that. So I suggest you get married. Please. I will wait. But please, do not let it take time. Please.
Trudy.
Yes.
You cannot get married to Akwaugo.
Says who?
Says I. Akwaugo belongs to me. And mine alone.
You're joking, right?
Do I look like a joke to you? Huh?
Hey, you're serious, oh? Wait, Prince Jide, you mean you want me to leave Akwaugo for you? You know it's not possible. I cannot leave Akwaugo for you or for anyone else. I can't. Not now, not ever. Whatever will happen, let it happen. I will not leave Akwaugo for you.
Trudy, I would advise you as an elder brother. Look elsewhere. Find a maiden that you love and make her your wife. As for Akwaugo, stay off her. She is mine.
No. Jide, read my lips. I will not leave Akwaugo for you. Never. Wait, if you knew Akwaugo was yours all this while, why didn't you bring her to the palace? Oh, you waited for me to do that. You waited for me to bring her to the palace first before you woke up from your slumber. Is that not it?
Jody, leave my chambers now.
Jide, so it has gotten to the level where you're asking me out of your chambers. No problem, I will leave. But know this, Akwaugo is mine. Akwaugo is mine and I will fight for everything that is mine. Do you get that? You weakling. Akwaugo. Akwaugo.
Who is there?
Akwaugo.
Who is there? My prince. Greetings.
Greetings.
Why are you here this early? Did you sleep at all last night?
No, I couldn't. I couldn't, Akwaugo. I couldn't even blink an eye all night.
Why?
You.
How can I be the reason for your insomnia, my prince?
Akwaugo, you can't leave me for my younger brother.
What do you mean?
I love you, Akwaugo. I love you.
Not now, my prince. No. You cannot complicate things for me. You're someone I hold at high esteem. No.
I have always loved you. I thought my actions and my eyes would do better. Little did I know that my words were to affirm it. I love you so much, Akwaugo. Yes, I do. I love you.
Igwe, I cannot believe that the two princes are fighting over my beloved Akwaugo. I cannot believe it.
Watch your mouth, Arinze.
Else, what will happen? Eh? What will happen?
Arinze, if I may ask, why are you here exactly?
Thank you, no. It came to my notice that Prince Dikeh here and Prince Chude are fighting over my beloved Akwaugo. Eh? Which is Akwaugo belongs to me. On Kemkobo.
Arinze, are you now trying to tell us that you and Akwaugo
Each year you don't need to. Akwaugo and I have been doing things everywhere. And I know that if you call her here, she will choose me over these two.
Oh, you think so?
I know so, but I think so.
Then in that case, let her make her choice among the three of us. I am very sure she will choose me instead.
I need to be sure of something. Are you both sure she's going to make a choice from you both?
Father, I don't know for these two people. But for me, I am very confident Akwaugo will choose me.
Well, as a council, there is an easy way to solve this problem.
Okay.
The maiden is going to be made to choose from the young men. And whoever she chooses marries her.
Your Majesty, Igwe, what is this madness all about? Would you consent to the show of this madness?
It is not issue of consenting. It is issue of solving a problem that is already staring us in the face. It is going to happen next Eke Market Day. She is going to make a choice, and whoever she chooses marries her. This is my verdict.
Igbo, thank you very much. But I know that she will choose me. Eh? No problem. So that day.
Is this the prophecy they told me? Is this reality or still a dream?
Igwe.
I can't believe what I am feeling.
Akwaugo, I want to believe you know why we are here.
Yes, my king.
These 3 young men, 2 of them my sons, have been fighting to have you. So we ruled in council that today, being a Kemaka day, you are going to make a choice from amongst them.
Yes.
So that the fighting will stop. Listen, whoever you will choose becomes your husband.
Akwam. Amoma asaro. And then the book will Omali Changwa. I know you choose me because Omali Cham. Yeah? Are you leaving me?
Akwaugo, my love. I know you will choose me. Pay no mind to this thing standing beside me here.
Hey.
Easy. My love, as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by this thing.
What's it?
Standing before you is royalty. And I know you cannot afford to make mistakes. Don't forget, I am royalty. And not this buffalo standing here. Come.
Akwam. Leave him. I know it's me you want.
No, you're getting dangerously close to this thing.
Akwambia.
No.
It's me. Remember all we did? Iman. Eh?
Come on. You know I will always be there.
Akwaugo, you are wasting so much time on this.
Come.
Make a choice.
Oh.
My prince.
Akwaugo.
You are my peace of mind.
I will
choose you over and over again.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Man! Zone! Zone! Arinze, wait for us now.
I have.
Arinze, wait for us now. Yeah, Arinze, wait for us now.
Arinze, wait for us.
What is funny? Why are you laughing? What is funny?
Wait, let me ask you. What were you thinking? That Akwaugo will choose you after all you did to her? I'm asking you. And to even think that you came to this contest without no shame. Arinze, where is your shame?
Wait. Arinze, do you know that you are very, very wicked? Eh? You know that you do not love her. Eh? Why put yourself through that stress? Eh? Well, I guess your selfishness made you too.
No, you know what? I don't blame 2 of you. I blame myself for allowing 2 of you to follow me to that palace. I blame myself.
Do you even think that we almost lost our inheritance to this new compoop here? Imagine.
Anobim, Afam, do you know our parents wouldn't have forgiven us? Yes, at least losing our inheritances to this fool.
See, Arinze, I have an advice for you. Just one. I will advise you go and buy kola nut and keg of palm wine and go to Ini Edo, your father, and ask him for forgiveness. You will come and take me afterwards.
Not just that. Listen, you also need to go to Akwaugo and ask for forgiveness. Yes, you offended that maiden so bad. Until then, the curses those 2 people placed on you will continue to be with you. Afam, let's get going.
You see, Akwaugo.
I made a great mistake. Why did I allow these two to follow me to the palace? Don't worry.
I don't know why some people can be shameless and evil at the same time. Ekema, do not pretend as if you don't know that I'm talking to you. Hapurumudim, leave my husband alone and stop opening your legs for him. I will not warn you again.
Konwa, now I know you're more senseless than I thought.
Oh.
You think I am you? You think I am you, Konwa, who opens her legs for Ichiharutu? Yes! Everybody in the kingdom knows. Even a sucking child.
Oh. You think you are smart, right? You want to accuse me so that you can hide yourself. Ekema, just say that one more time. Say it and know what I can do.
Okonwa, you cannot do anything. Because I am saying the truth. Yes!
Hey! Onye na amaro mmadu na akpu ya oyi ya. Ekema, you think I am your friend? I am not your friend because you don't know what I'm capable of doing.
You are not capable of doing anything. As for the friendship, it was the moment I knew the evil you are that I decided to distance myself away from you. What can you do? You won't email anything. The only thing you're capable of, let me tell you, the only thing you are capable of doing is meandering around with Ichiharutu. That is the only thing you are capable of doing.
Ekema! Ekema! I can see. You want to join your late husband and leave your children behind.
Who will kill me? Iwerumia? Can you? Of course you cannot kill me. This is one of the actually baka. Gini kana boya ango otagi. Nkopiagisi. You can't.
So, you want what happened to Waima and her husband happen to you, right?
Go. So you killed them? So you're the one that killed Waima and her husband? And you tagged it on their child, Akwaugo? Oh, Ezo Kanu memo said this.
What is this mad woman saying? Ekema! Hey! Ekema! I did not kill anybody. I did not kill anybody.
Elders and council, we all saw what happened here yesterday.
Igwe, it was terrible.
Yes, I cannot forget what happened yesterday. In a hurry. I cannot forget it.
And here he comes. My son.
My prince.
And his beautiful bride to be. Yeah.
Greetings, father.
Greetings, my son.
Greetings, Ono.
The only prince. My prince.
Greetings, my
What is it? What is it?
What is after you? What is it?
That which is bigger than the squirrel has visited it.
Woman, speak. What is the problem?
My eyes have seen that which is bigger than them.
Ekema, what have your eyes seen that you cannot tell us here? Have you suddenly gone down?
Wonder.
Ezokalu, Okonwa just confessed to me that she's the one that killed Ichiobiechine and Wanima.
What?
We'll go to Riba. Ekema.
You mischief maker. Where are you going with all these your bags?
I am running away.
Running away?
Yes, I am running away.
Why now? You did not leave when I asked you to go back to your people that I'm done with this marriage. You vehemently refused. Why are you going now on your own volition?
Mother, where are you going with your bag?
What is wrong with your mother?
Caesar!
What has she done?
No, I won't leave way. SZ Okanome has ordered us to bring this your wife to the palace right now.
Mother, what is going on?
If you come with us to the palace, you'll find a woman.
Let's go. Let's go.
What?
Move.
I am innocent.
Let's move.
I am innocent.
None of us stay there.
I am innocent!
Move! Move!
I am innocent!
Stop there!
Igwe, this woman was trying to escape.
Yes, Igwe.
The evil ones will always try to run when no one is after them.
Oh yes! I am innocent!
Innocent of what? You have not been told of the reason you were summoned before the king, and you are saying you are innocent.
I did not do it!
You are innocent. Can you then tell us why you were trying to escape? Speak to me, woman. Talk with this woman.
I will talk. I will confess.
Confess? Allow her to confess what?
Allow her.
It was a child that told me that my husband was sleeping with Ekema.
What?
Ichiaru to here.
Kujaru.
Always sneak into my late husband's compound to beg me to sleep with him.
Where came with you?
Yes.
On 2 different occasions. When I got tired of his pestering. Ichiaru, what is the meaning of this?
Ikemma, why are you being stubborn? Why are you unnecessarily obstinate? Why are you being impossible? Eh?
Aroto, please in one word, can you explain what you mean by I being impossible?
Okay, it's alright. Ikemma, you know your husband is no longer here with us. Eh? Please, let me be scratching your back. Try, just give me a chance. I promise you, I am still very strong and active and can always give you that maximum satisfaction you need.
Leave here. Eh? Leave my husband's compound. I said leave my late husband's compound.
Wait now. Stop. Right. Stop shouting. Kema, let me tell you. I love you. I love you. Ekema, I can't believe you are telling me to leave your house. Try to understand. If I may ask, how do you cope with midnight crisis? This is rainy season and the weather is very, very cool. I promise you. Wait. Let me tell you.
Stupid man. Shameless he-goat. Mbi. If you don't even have a choice of woman in your life. Come here next time. Fella they making.
Ekema nwanyi ọma mara mma. Nchete gị etu a, ahụ a na-atọ m polina. Ekema.
Aroto, as far as I am concerned, you have lost your respect where I am.
Ekema.
I thought I warned you never to show your ugly face in my late husband's compound.
Ekema, Try to understand. I cannot give up on you. I love you. Just give me a chance. Look, I swear, you will enjoy it. You will enjoy it. I will
enjoy it. I wish you. That's some kind of
I'm now quite a wish. One day, this is our talk. Okay, me thankful.
I will enjoy it. Yeah, sure. I want us to start from here. I will enjoy it. Because my husband is let you now give me my peace of mind. You have refused to give me my peace of mind. You can't block me! Foolish man! Foolish man! Shameless man! Come and mock me! They come everywhere. Let me make food, Ekema. I want to do medicine, Ekema. Ekema. Come, I want to enjoy it. Let me use this fire and teach you how to enjoy your stupid desires. Foolish man. He goat. Shameless man. Because my husband is no more, that is why you have the guts to come and be disturbing me. I will enjoy it. Come, let me enjoy it. Give me everywhere. I want to make food. I want to do medicine.
It was the Chiaroto that gave me the poisonous substance. To add to the oil Wahima bought from me.
Aroto, who come?
We had to cook with the oil and die.
Who come? So you are sleeping with Aroto under my nose?
Hey, Aroto.
Why?
Hey. Why am I refused me sleeping with her?
Hey.
So because a woman refused to sleeping with her, you have to go to this extent?
Aruto, you want to sleep with a married woman?
She said I'm an imbecile.
Are you not an imbecile?
Are you
not an imbecile?
Looked at me to my face and told me I'm an imbecile. And that her husband is far better than the man I am and the man I will be. Can you imagine?
That is what you like.
Can you just imagine what an Ichie is vomiting out of his mouth?
Rubbish.
Guards! You were here. This man is no longer qualified to be wearing that cap.
Exactly.
Yes. Exactly. Remove it. Take them to the village square. At the sound the ikure that will bring other members of the community. Keep stoning them until the gods intervene. And if the gods fail to intervene, stone them to death. Take them out of this place.
You are sorry, I'm not leaving.
Oh my God!
Widows will fight for me, I told you.
Oh no, we are going to send for the chief priest.
Yes.
He has to tell us how we are going to sanctify the land that they have defiled. Today is indeed a very wonderful day in the history of Uruago Kingdom.
Exactly.
After a process that proved to be so long, we finally came to the end of it. The day my first son has taken the beautiful Akwaugo as his wife. And I am here receiving you into this palace. This marriage is already blessed. Both of you are going to reproduce the children that you can claim. And by the time I am no more, you are going to be crowned Eze. And Akwaugo, you are going to transform into Akwaugo. This union is blessed. You are blessed on Eke Market Day. You are blessed on Ore Market Day. You are blessed on Afro Market Day. And you are blessed on Okwo Market Day. That which you are going to eat will continue to come to you. And that which will eat you will never come. Never. It's well with you. Never happen to you walk home. Man! Yeah! Man! Yeah! Bien! Yeah! Zone! Yeah! Whatever.
Oh, make a new one. Now, I leave you.
Is this the prophecy they told me? Is this reality or still a dream? I can't believe what I am feeling, and I see it, I have dreamt it. Chukwu okike odini na fio nejeno obum na eme. I have been chosen, and my dream came through. This must be wrong. Odim kana wrong. Ihe neme odim kana wrong. Okwano ifuna manya odim kana wrong. Ife uma odim kana wrong. Ijeno love ifuna ya. I was told that I lost myself. I have given up, but the God says no. Till you came and you swept my feet. Now I'm in love, and I hope it's not a dream. Chukwu okike